You're white, right?
Yes.
Just moved your pawn forward, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sus. I'll just copy you. Or never mind. I did not copy you. Oh, not the knight. I haven't used the knight in like forever. Oh,
How are you not dead?
are you alive? What is this?
Yeah, I hit you like 17 times. Like, Jesus.
Yes, with a shotgun, Nate. From that far.
Yes.
How are you hitting me?
It's your turn. Okay.
You're gonna lose?
Probably. Where are you? What is this? No!
Oh, my
lost
fake
sight.
pawn killed you. What is this?
That was even you? What?
No, I'm joking.
How was I not
Imagine.
hitting you? Huh? It said that I was hitting you.
Well, because it's a shotgun, remember?
No, but like it was showing that I was hitting you. It had the
Alright.
marker. How am I missing?
I don't
Literally
think
die.
you should be with me.
Literally die. Just die. Literally
Oh.
die.
No.
There we go. Headshot. Finally.
Got me.
He has been got.
It's just that powerful.
Yeah. On.
Are you just gonna bully all my pawns?
Yes.
You know, I'm gonna go sicko mode.
I have gone even more sicko mode.
More sicko
I was
mode.
so close to dying though.
I'm gonna get you my king, mate.
Oh no.
You're gonna get your
No.
goofy.
I'm out of here. Ah!
Where's he?
Oh, wait,
Where's he?
you're there?
Where's he?
Eh, die. Idiot.
Oh my gosh, you almost killed me. You almost got me.
No. Wanna see how close you are. Oh, you
Bro,
were close. You were
You
close.
almost killed me.
On versus Queen. I'm gonna beat you up. I did not beat you up. It's not a
even-
thing that happened.
I need to watch this how this look. I moved like one step.
I almost got you though.
I'm
It's
sure.
close. What do you mean, oh sure? You were almost in.
Oh.
Right.
Oh, actually. Wait.
This is fair. This is fair. This is fair. Where are you? Oh, I almost stepped in front of the tree. Where are you? You went outside? You can do that?
Yeah.
Go. Where did you go?
Never.
Where are you? Where are you? Where did you go?
Look at me. Nothing up for me.
I saw you and you were immediately like in my face. How did you do that?
I
What?
didn't look.
You just did that? What? Okay.
Can you do that to me now?
No.
You better get your banana knock over your knee. You're never getting. Where are you? Oh, Nate's kind of scared.
No. No.
Yeah.
Oh, that even works.
It's like a 1v1.
It's like Hunger Games style chess. Chess box.
Oh. Got you.
None of this.
Oh, all of this, mate.
None of this.
I'm getting my rook out here, and we're ready to
How
start.
did that do no damage? Oh, okay.
You have to see this thing. You have to watch the replay.
No, you just murdered me. None of this.
It's the Nate. I'm gonna be your queen, bro.
Nah. What? I can't even move. This is stupid.
I love this so much.
Nah.
Ready? I was gonna do that.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Go.
No!
Go. None of
Get
that.
your duck. Hold on. Where's you? No!
Die, idiot.
No, but that's bro. That's kind of a bad idea I have.
All right. I'm just gonna use my king for a minute now. If I
Watch me
lose,
beat the pawn, Nate.
that would be stupid. None of that.
All of that.
No.
You ready?
Yes. Why didn't you just take my king?
You ready?
No.
Turn the laser beam.
Get on laser. Where are you? Where did you go? There's a paper airplane.
There is?
Yes, I'm in the paper airplane.
No way. Let me see this.
I fell off of the paper airplane.
Where is this?
Where are you? Did you go outside?
Where did the paper airplane come from? Where are you?
Where are you? I'm on the shelf. Oh, I just watched that fly by.
Laser beaming, bro.
Where are you?
My. You see the?
Die. I'm scared.
Where'd you come from?
The
Here.
chandelier. Yeah, okay.
No. Cool.
Die. I was close. That was almost bad.
I had to hit you one more time.
Yeah, that was almost bad. That was almost
King be king. King be king.
stupid. I'm taking you. Knight.
No, I'm gonna kill you tonight. Yep. I just got 8 messages from somebody.
8?
Yes. Okay.
Nah, we're going pawn.
No, you're gonna make it go this long. No, I'm killing you with the pawn.
No.
No. Oh, why would you do that? What do you think this is?
I can't move! Hey, Jamal, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
It's crazy.
One of my friends asked me to play Minecraft with them.
Minecraft? What game is that?
You wanna try playing it?
Is this like a,
We could try
a
playing.
server or something?
Yes, there's early. He's a bit of a sussy among us, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, you got me.
You should get
Almost
the
got hit by
train.
Should I really?
Yeah.
Oh, got you now. Got you now.
I can't go under this platform. What?
Got you now.
You know that.
Get back here. Bro, you got me right in the face. I cannot see. The arrow's blocking my face.
The point.
No! You blinded me.
Yes. Good. I was so close to dying
Yep.
until I wasn't.
Get over here.
No. Not the palm.
Right. We're gonna go.
Good point.
It's going crazy.
Yeah. I'm insane.
I thought you were gonna come back.
I'm out of here.
I don't think your
Go.
aim is good.
That didn't work.
Yep.
That did not work.
There's no way to stop the inevitable.
Exactly. No way to stop the inevitable.
Oh.
Where are you? Where did you go? No.
Hit by the train and I was 1 heart.
You got hit by the train and survived? Is that even a thing that can happen? You did not get hit by that train. Hello?
Night. I'm gonna have to kill all your pieces now. Oh snap! I'm gonna you jump off the train.
Nah, get back here. Get back here.
Hiding away, Nate.
Goofy. Nah, that's unfair. Man gets to fly. I was getting you. This is stupid. You're getting destroyed.
No, my queen!
Again. Let's go. This game is bug free. Yeah, sorry.
That's unfair, Nate.
This
How
game
is it?
bug free?
Yep, it's quality.
Oh.
throw my bomb. No, my coin. No! I thought I was gonna
Yeah,
get you.
no, I was wondering.
Oh my god. I was out of my